Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Petra Industries LLC. They're looking for a customer chat specialist. It pays up to $24 an hour. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit that like button because it helps us with the YouTube algorithm to find more people just like you that are looking for the best remote work from home job that's available to them and for you. Petra is the nation's leading consumer electronics distributor and one of Edmonton's largest private employer. We ship tens of thousands of orders each day to retail stores as well as individual customers who buy through online. We are looking for energetic customer chat specialist individuals with a passion. The person for this position should be outgoing, self-motivated, reliable, and enjoys working as a team. Some of your responsibilities include manage a high volume of incoming calls, generate add-on sales when applicable, identify and evaluate customers' needs to accomplish customer satisfaction, build trust with customers through engaging in interactive communication, provide accurate, valid, and complete information by using the right tools and methods, resolve customer complaints and offer suitable solutions and alternatives in a timely manner, follow up to assure resolutions, document customers' interactions, communicate with team members to resolve customer complaints or issues, follow procedures and policies related to communication, go above and beyond to provide solutions for customer needs, maintain positive customer feedback, gather at the end of the calls, and perform other duties as assigned. Some of your skills and qualifications will be ability to adapt and interact with various types of customers and personalities, strong communication skills, capacity to multitask, prioritize, and use time management skills. Customer service/support experience is preferred. Phone contact and active listening skills is preferred, and experience with CRM systems and practices is preferred, and also a high school degree. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel, and all you have to do is first hit that like button because it helps us with the YouTube algorithm to find more people just like you. Also subscribe so you're always up to date when we have the latest one. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll be one of the first notified when we find the best remote work from home job positions that are available for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land a Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land a Remote Job, the best way to work from home will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.